Okay, so you already know how to source for products, get everything needed, our ad copy and everything. So to run advert now, come to your browser. If you are using laptop, you can follow the same process, and if you are using your mobile phone, just try to make use of Chrome browser. Yeah, Chrome browser. Then put it on desktop mode. Come here, search for facebook.com. Log in your Facebook account there. This is your Facebook. Let's say this is your Facebook account. Log in your account there. And don't forget, you already have your pages inside. I was showing how to create Facebook page earlier. If you don't know how to create that one, that means you need to go back. You need to go back to the courses to learn more about everything. Creating Facebook page is there already. So let's continue. To enter the Ads Manager account, so you can make use of two options. You can either come here and click on this Ads Manager to enter the Ads Manager session, or come to your new tab, search for web.facebook.com/ads manager. You can see it's showing the same thing. It's showing the same thing. This one, fresh account. This is our fresh account. So the same thing here, still the same thing. We have personal accounts, we have business account. What you are seeing here is personal account, is fresh account, normal. Although if you check this session now, you have already made use of another account now to run advert. But let me just focus on this one directly. So to run the adverts, let me go straight to the point. We are trying to run Facebook ads directly to WhatsApp business adverts. I will come here. Although it's normal for the thing to pop up another something like business interface, just try to confirm the page, put in your payment method, then next it will ask you to accept any review. If you don't understand that one, you can screenshot to me and send to me on WhatsApp. Okay, so after everything, you come to the dashboard now, then you click on this create button. Click on this create. Then you are running advert directly to our WhatsApp business. You can make use of sales, you can make use of engagement, but the best one that will work a lot for me is engagement. I select this engagement, I click on continue. You can see I select this manual engagement campaign, then I click on continue. It will move to the ad session. You can cancel this one. It might be slower when using mobile, you understand, it's normal. Okay, let me explain this session to you now. We have the new engagement campaign, we have the assets and the ad. This is the campaign level. If you are going to select our engagement or the campaign, then under this assets now, this is where you are going to target the states, countries, everything that you want, you understand. This is where you are going to target everything, the state, everything. Then under this ad level, this is where you are going to input your video or the pictures of the creative. I mean the creative, the ad copy and everything. So let's come here. You can try to rename this campaign. That is if you are trying to run different multiple adverts, like you are running adverts for maybe kitchen products and clothes, everything. Just use the campaign name. Rewrite the campaign name, clothes ads, just to name the campaign. You get. So I click on next. I come to the ad set. This is our ad set. So you can see the conversion location. You will click on this message destination. So message destination, or you are going to see something like messages. Then I select WhatsApp. You can see we have Messenger, Instagram and WhatsApp. If you want to run Instagram advert, you can still run it here. I've connected both my Instagram and WhatsApp to this page already, Facebook page already. I can select both if I want the advert to be showing on my Instagram page also. If you don't know how to connect your IG and Instagram, just come here directly. You can see connect Instagram and WhatsApp. to Facebook. Then learn how to do this one by watching this video here. So I need to select the WhatsApp also. Let's continue. It has been selected. Then here you need to select the maximize number of conversation. It's normal for you to select this one, conversation. Yes. So daily budget, your daily budget might be 2005. Let me just say the list is 2000, 2005, 3000 naira, 35. You are just starting, you can use 3000 naira, between 3000 to 5000 naira. The more you put in the budget, the more you are going to, the way your advert is going to flow well. You understand? Let's say you want to be spending 3000 naira daily on adverts. You understand? 3000, but you can't compare someone spending 5000 naira with someone spending 3000 naira daily. There is a way to explain this thing much better, but I won't like to just turn your head. You understand? Let me make it simple like this. I don't like to schedule my advert. I do like to start the advert to start immediately, and I'm not setting any end date. So under this audience, you come here and click on switch to original audience option. I select this use original audience. So asking me for the location, age and gender. Before selling products, don't forget you must already know all this information before trying to sell products. Like the product you are selling, and maybe you are a baker or you are doing something else. These products you are trying to advertise, where can you handle, which states can you handle, which countries can you handle. You need to understand that. If you are in Lagos state and you know you can only handle Lagos state, or you can handle Lagos, Ogun, Ibadan and others, so come here instead of selecting the whole Nigeria. But if you are capable of doing the whole Nigeria, it's normal, it's good for you to select this one, because there are some products that you just need to know some places that you know you'll be getting orders, just for you to get to know where the orders will be coming from. But let's say I want to select only Lagos. I will search for Lagos. I click on this Lagos state. Don't forget you are selecting the city, Lagos state, Nigeria. You can still narrow down. Instead of selecting only Lagos, I can come here and try to select Yanaworo, Lagos Island, you understand, Ikoyi, Banana Island, Lekki. See, I can select anything, Lekki Aja, Lekki Lagos. So I'm just trying to select only Lagos now, you get. So if I want to select Ibadan, Shagam and other states, I can still Ibadan. You see, Ibadan, your state. Let's say I'm making of Lagos and Ibadan, so it's normal. I can, of this one, I can still click on it, like to reach more people likely to respond to my advert. Then the age, based on the kind of product you are selling, I will advise, if your product, based on like some of you selling all these high ticket products, just try to go for all these big people. Start from, let me just say start from age 22, because they are selecting all these 18. Sometimes they will just be disturbing you with messages on WhatsApp. Or you can start from 25, 30, based on the kind of product you are selling. The gender, is the product meant for both gender, men and women, or only men or only women? You need to know that. So there is a way to target some things here, but the reason why it's not showing anything here is because we are new. We are just using this account. Is new account, you understand. Let's say you have been using this advert to run adverts frequently. It's going to pop up box for you to target some options where you are going to target. I'm going to add ebook for you. It is showing you any options to target, but right now we are making some broad targeting. That means Facebook will determine the kind of people that will be coming to our WhatsApp, and it do convert well, believe me, it do convert better. So this placement we are making use of, just follow my lead, we are making use of manual placement. So we don't want Facebook to decide for us. That is why we are not making use of advantage placement. So the platform, I want the advert to be showing on Facebook and Instagram and audience network. Under these feeds, you can try to remove some things. If you don't want your advert to be showing on marketplace, you can just follow my lead, like I said. Remove this Instagram exploit. If you don't want your advert to be showing on Instagram at all, you can just uncheck this thing above. You understand? So I do like my advert to be showing on search results. Let's say I'm selling kitchen product. Anytime they search for kitchen something, my advert is going to pop up on Facebook directly. Advert will be showing on stories. You have seen some adverts showing on your Facebook story, something like that. That is how you do work. Then there's something called app and site. That is when you are playing games, listening to music. Some of the other that do pop up sometimes is from audience network. So that's everything about the asset here. Then I click on next. We are done with the asset. So under this ad, there are different ways for us to run the advert. There are different ways for us to create ad. Let me make it a simple method. Here, you just need to put in your creative, set up creative. It might not show something like this, it might show primary text, something like that. So primary text, know how to draft your copy. If you don't know how to draft your copy, that means I'm not explaining this again. You will need to go back, go and look for how to draft. See, creating okay, apart from this one, getting target audience and ad copy. Go and learn how to get ad copy, then using this free template. After getting your copy, you come here, put in your copy here. The headline, chat with us. You're using WhatsApp. Then you come to media, upload the video. Let's say you have any of the video here. I want to make use of image. I can click on this image. I want to make use of video. Let me click on upload. But I don't have any video here. Okay, let me check under download. Let me just select any random video. Okay, let me make use of this one. I click on open. You will allow the thing to upload, finish, everything like that. Okay, so the video is ready. I click on next. I click on next. So you can tick this one, next. Then there is something called all these enhancements. If you don't want to enhance anything, just try to turn it off. Or sometimes it will work, so I do off it like this. Then I'm done. You can see this is how your advert is going to pop up. You can see you have been seeing a lot. So there is something we called thumbnail. Yeah. Come to your media, edit media, click on edit video. Let's say the video the product you are selling now. If you see the thumbnail, this is, let me just explain thumbnail as something that's going to the viewers, your audience is going to see directly on Facebook. Something that will attract them to watch the video, your video advert. If you just put anything that doesn't make sense, that means you are not going to get enough views at all. And if you are not getting enough views, nobody is going to chat you up. So let's say I need to put something that will, even if it is some images from AliExpress, something that will entice them, something that will attract them. Like if they see something like this, say, I see this baby. What is this baby trying to do? You understand? Something like that. Something like this is still good. I click on save. Don't forget, we already have our copy, everything. Your primary text, you are going to put in your primary text. Make use of AI. Paste your primary text here. Description, you can put something like promo ends today. Then this optimization, if you don't want to off it, if you don't want to on it, just off it. You will get to know a lot about all these features later. I don't want to crack your brain, you understand? So you see something like this. Then under this greeting message is the message that it will be sending to you on WhatsApp. You want to optimize the thing. Maybe you want to make use of autoresponder. You can try to edit the message. Instead of can I get more info, you can put something like can I get more information about this so product. You understand? Just to make it more easy. So these are the advert is going to be, everything is ready. So you already have one advert. Let's say you have different videos of the product that you want to make use of. You now come here under this ad, you click on this advert, you click on quick duplicate. You can make use of 2 ads. That means your customer will be seeing different videos, different adverts, instead of just seeing one. This video now, I don't need to delete anything here. I can just come to media, delete the media like this, then try to put another video of the same product. Like they won't be seeing the same thing, you understand? They won't be seeing the same thing all over. then put in different video. If you want to put another hard copy, you can get a lot of hard copy using AI. Put another hard copy, leave this headline and everything, then you do everything like that, then you are good with the advert. Very simple. Next time I'm going to talk about carousel advert. I don't want to, like I said, I don't want to crack your head, so let's just focus on this one. I'm going to explain better on carousel advert for now. Then once you are done, instead of publishing one by one, let me try to delete this one because we didn't do anything there. Instead of just publishing one by one, then I come here. You can just try to, as if you want to close this chapter. I can publish. I can click on publish. Like this now, if your phone off or your laptop off of anything, you are still going to continue from where you stopped. That is how the advert works. Not like, you know, be say you will need to restart anything at all. You are going to continue from where you stopped. Then I click on review and published. When using your account, it's normal for all these things to be asking for naira, all this currency and everything. Even some people believe that until you fund your advert, you are not going to get, you are not until you fund your advert, you can't publish your advert. It doesn't work like that. I'm going to show you the tricks. So you click on next. Sometimes they'll be showing you error concerning these new features. That means we need to put in your, you understand, put in your Facebook. You need to put in phone number just to verify before publishing. We need to select this naira payment with MasterCard. I click on next. I click on next just to publish. It's because I'm publishing for the first time. That's why it's showing all this. Yes, if I don't publish directly, just put in the amount. It doesn't matter. I'm not going to fund any money now before I'm going to publish. So then open the naira payment with, I continue. So instead of just putting your ATM everything, just click on cancel. It's going to come directly. It's going to go back to all these things. You get? I cancel everything. Then I can just cancel. Then click on this review and publish at the top. Maybe this error is showing, maybe it's about the phone number you are going to see. So it might be the phone number, or you didn't put the copy, and put the copy, you didn't put the hard copy. See, the advert has been published easily. It's going to show something like in review. All this no as doesn't mean anything, you understand? So you have published the advert. If you try to refresh, you are going to see processing. Once the advert is published, you are going to see something like active. Then once your advert is active, you will come here or make use of your, let me explain the first process. Come here, billing and payments, open a new tab. This is how you are going to be funding your advert. Come to billing and payments. Then click on add funds. Then you follow the process. Like that same process, you are going to put in the amount you want to fund. I want to fund 3,000. Let's say 3,000. You click on next. You can make it a bank transfer, but sometimes you do get all these error issues, network issues. So don't try that. Another way you can still fund your advert is just going to your normal mobile app, download Ads Manager, Meta Ads Manager. Once you download Ads Manager, then just log in your Facebook there. Easily you can be funding. I can show you another way to be funding directly with that. If you have any question, just send me a message, maybe my DM on Telegram. Let me answer that one. Then put in your card number, everything, blah blah blah, CVV. Then they are going to ask for OTP code. Then you are good to go.